UKG. Welcome back to your English class. Hope you all are staying well. Now, last class, that is yesterday's class, we have done names of the days, right? What is the day today? Today is Tuesday, right? Today is Tuesday. What I said at the beginning, yesterday's class. Yesterday means the before day. Tomorrow means the after day. And present means today. Clear all of you? Last class, that is yesterday's class, we have done the names of the days. We have also done the next names, means the next days we have done, means tomorrow. So what comes after that we have done? Yes. Now today we will do what comes before previous name, right? So let's start the class. Now tell me UKG, if I say Sunday, then what is before Sunday? Before Sunday is Saturday. Okay. Now if I say Wednesday, before Wednesday is what? Tuesday. Okay. So what is the day today? Today you are learning this. Today is what? Tuesday, right? Am I correct? Yes. Now Tuesday is today. What is what was yesterday's day? Yesterday was Monday. Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow if we are having English class, what is the day today? Tomorrow, it's Wednesday. Okay. So in this way we have to learn the names. First you say there is a sequence. Sunday, then Sunday after Monday, then Tuesday, after Tuesday Wednesday, after Wednesday Thursday, after Thursday Friday, after Friday Saturday, after Saturday Sunday. So the chain goes on. Same way, if we have to say the before days, how we will say? Repeat it after me. Let's start. Suppose I said Thursday. So what is before that? Wednesday. Before Wednesday, what do we get? Tuesday. Before Tuesday, Monday. Before Monday, Sunday. Before Sunday, it's Saturday. Before Saturday, Friday. What comes before Friday? Thursday. Right? So in this way we should learn what comes before the day. Okay? Before a particular day. So let's go for it. Let's start. Take out your English CW copy. Write at the top names of the days. Okay, this is your heading. Done. Then you write today's date, 11/5/21. Then write it down and come back to the next point. Now first question, what comes before Wednesday? So can anyone tell me this answer? The answer is, you only write Tuesday. Okay, you write Tuesday. So you will write the question by yourself. You will write the answer by yourself. Okay, but in the exam question I will give you, you have to only write the answer. You have to only write the answer. Clear? Okay. Next question. Question number 2. What comes before Friday? Tell me quickly. You know the answer. The answer is Thursday. The answer is Thursday. Done. Next, question number 3. What comes before? What comes before Tuesday? Tell me quickly. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. So you will write Monday. Question number 4. What comes? So keep on writing, before Sunday. Sunday. What comes before Sunday? It is Saturday. Okay. So UKG, I hope you have understood the names of the days we have done already. What comes after we have done what comes before. So practice, write the names in your CW copy. Okay, and UKG, summer vacation will start. So I will tell you what are the things you are going to do during your summer vacation. I will come in between your holidays. Okay, and I will ask you to do some work in English, like handwriting, like phonetics word. Okay, and you will do it in the Google Classroom and submit it to me. Date will be mentioned there. When you have to submit will be mentioned there. So do follow that, do the work and submit it to me even during holidays. So we will do a lot of activities also during our holidays, and we will meet again. Okay, so today till this much. Take care. Bye bye.